So hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to explain you about the syllabus of CUET PG Agribusiness Management subject syllabus. What will be the syllabus for Agribusiness Management? So they are given the notes. So the first is the question paper, which will have 75 questions. All question will be based on the subject specific knowledge. The subject that is they have mentioned means agribusiness knowledge, and all questions are compulsory, and the question will be by language, means it will be in English or in Hindi. So the first syllabus topic is agronomy and its scope. So you need to learn about seeds and sowing, tillage and tilth, crop density and geometry, crop nutrition, manures and fertilizers and nutrients use, efficiency, water resources, soil plant water relationship, crop water requirements, and water use and water use efficiency, irrigation scheduling criteria and methods, and quality of irrigation water and logging. These are the topics you need to study in agronomy and its scope. Then in weeds you need to study about its importance, classification and crop weed competition, concepts of feed management principles and methods, herbicides classification and selectivity and resistance allelopathy. Next, crop production technology. In this, you need to study about rabi and kharif crops, farming syllabus, and farming system and sustainable agriculture. Sustainable agriculture problem and its impact on agriculture. Indicators of sustainability, adaptation and mitigation. Conservation agriculture, strategies in agriculture, organic farming principles and scope in India, precision agriculture, concepts and techniques of crop production, and their issues and concerns for Indian agriculture. These are the topics you need to study in crop production technology topic. From these, they will give the questions. Next is genetic and plant breeding. In this, importance and techniques of genetic and plant breeding, Mendelian principles of heredity, architecture of chromosomes, chroma, chromonematic, chromosome matrix, chromomerase, centromere, secondary constriction and telomere, special type of chromosomes, chromosomal theory of inheritance, cell cycle and cell division, mitosis and meiosis, genetics in relation to plant breeding, and principles of seed technology. Next, you after that the pedological and ethnological concepts of soil. There is soil genesis. In this, soil forming rocks and minerals, weathering process and factors of soil formation, soil profile, components of soil, soil physical properties, and problematic soil and their management. These are the topics you need to study for this first topics in this exam. Next is agriculture economy, meaning its definition, agriculture economy, characteristics of agriculture, importance and roles of it in economic development, and agriculture planning and development in the current country, and also agricultural finance. In this, you need to study about the meaning of agriculture finance, scope and significance, credit needs and its role in Indian agriculture, and also agricultural credit, meaning, definition, need, classification. These are the topic you need to study in the agricultural credits and agricultural economics. Next, credit analysis. In that, 4 RS and 3 CS of credits, source of agricultural finance, institutional and non-institutional sources, market structure, marketing mix and market segmentation, GATT and WTO, agreement on agriculture and its implications on Indian agriculture, farm management principles and production function, consumer behavior analysis, product life cycle, sales and distribution management, pricing policy, various pricing methods and project management definition, project cycle identification, introduction to statistics and its application in agriculture, graphical representation of data, and measure of central tendency and dispersion. These are the topics you need to study in credit analysis. Next, introduction to soil and water conservation. In this, you need to study about causes of soil erosion, definition and agents of soil erosion, water erosion, forms of water erosion, soil loss measurement, techniques and principles of erosion control, and introduction to contouring and strip cropping and contour burn. These are the topics you need to study in this introduction to soil and water conservation. Next is importance of plant disease, scope and objective of plant pathology. In this, pathogenesis, causes, factors affecting disease development, disease triangle and tetrahedron, and classification of plant diseases, important plant pathogenic organisms, different groups, fungi, bacteria, fastidios, vesicular bacteria, phytoplasmas, spiroplasmas, and viruses, viroids, algae, protozoa, panorogamic parasites, and neomatids with example of disease caused by them, and disease and symptoms due to abiotic causes, that is IPM. In this introduction, its history, its importance and concepts and principles and tools of IPM. These are the things you need to study in this IPM. And pests of crop and stored grains and their management. These are the things you need to study in this. Importance of plant disease, its scope and plant pathology, and also plant propagation, method of propagation structure, that is seed dormancy, seed germination, principles of orchard establishment, principles and methods of training and pruning production technology for fruits and plantation crops, post harvest management and value addition of fruits and vegetables. Next, rural development concept, meaning, definition of rural development, various rural development program launched by our government of India. So you have to study its meaning, its definition, concept, and principles on which these are launched, and CD and philosophy of CD you need to study. Then rural leadership, its concept and definition, type of leaders in rural context, extension administration, and also you need to study about its meaning, principles and function, meaning and process of communication, that is verbal and non-verbal communication. Then mineral nutrition of plants, function and deficiency symptoms of nutrients, nutrient uptake mechanism, photosynthesis, light and dark reactions, C3, C4 and CAM plants, role of microbes in social fertility and crop production, and also definition of basic terms related to forestry objectives in silviculture. These are the things you have to study in the mineral nutrition of plants. Then important Indian and exotic breeds, that is breed of cattle, buffalo, sheep, goat, swine and poultry, and improvement of farm animals and poultry you have to study in this important Indian and exotic breeds. So these are the topics you need to study in the agribusiness management. So this is the syllabus of agribusiness management, and these are the topics you need to study. So okay, this if this video is helpful to you, please give a like, and also you can share my video with your friends, so it will be helpful to them also. So okay friends, I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day, bye my dear friends.